Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful Tutor Layout Pack, and this Layout Pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the Tutor Layout Pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It's a stunning layout pack that includes custom-made illustrations, which you are free to use without any restrictions, along with some beautiful icons, and the overall look and feel of this layout pack is just really modern. And if you want to use this on your website, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. Now over here you will find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Tutor Layout Pack, and if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack, and these are all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of these beautiful layouts without actually installing them on your website first. So say for instance you really enjoy this landing page and you want to use it, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now over here you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our layouts by clicking over here on the purple item. And over here we have all of the beautiful layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Tutor Layout Pack. Click on it, select your layout of choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content, and from that point on you can start modifying everything to make it match with the page that you want to go live with. So of course you can modify all of the written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options to make some changes to the design. So say for instance you want to add a bit of scroll effect motion to this image over here, you can open the settings, go to the advanced tab, go to the scroll effects, and over here you have the option to enable vertical motion, and we'll put this to 0. We'll bring down the viewport top, and we'll also change the mid offset over here. And we'll also add a fading in and out effect over here. And these are just a few of the different possibilities that you have with Divi's built-in options. So if I scroll down now, this image disappears as I'm scrolling, and you can play around with each and every design element and the scroll effects or just the regular settings to create beautiful web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.